10 years ago, I was abusing drugs and alcohol to cope with life. It sounds so bad when I say that out loud, but it's the freaking truth. Tell the truth so you don't gotta wear the shame, right? At the same time, 10 years ago, I was over it. I was done. I said, listen, this is it. This is enough. I had enough. We out of here. Me and my 5-year-old son, we bounced with nothing but the clothes on our backs, right? So, in that journey, in that transitional phase of my life, I was coping with the loss of that relationship and having a job that I didn't necessarily like with using drugs and alcohol. There was not a day that went by that I didn't smoke some weed, eat an edible, drink some Hennessy, some wine, something. Like, I was drinking alcohol and doing drugs every single day, period. For recreation, for Monday, because it's Thursday, because it's somebody's birthday, because it's Cinco de Mayo, because it don't matter, okay? I didn't really need a reason at that point in time. Fast forward to now, my life looks a lot different. See, because back then, I was barely present for my oldest son. Now, I'm a stay-at-home mom and wife for the last 5 years in a happy, healthy marriage, and I couldn't be more grateful. I have a total of 3 handsome, happy, healthy young men that I am honored and privileged to be called mommy by. Like, that's my life. Oh my gosh. But I do not want to make it seem as though my life is peaches and cream right now, because it's not, okay? I find myself right here, right now, this same time, January 2026, having to start over. Thank God, this time, it is not in my relationship, okay? We good. We good. This time, it's my work life, okay? And I know I'm not the only one that's in that position right now that's having to start over in your work life. Oh my gosh. Talk about being in a place, in a space, and putting in the work, the 10,000 hours that's required to learn a skill, acquire a skill, apply a skill, and then that rug be ripped right from up underneath your feet. That not only happened to me in 2025, that happened to a lot of us. So, welcome to Jerica's Journey. I'm Jerica, and we are going on a journey to figure this out, to start over. Because one thing that I've been able to do over these past 10 years is choose discipline. Your girl is sober, clean and sober. Haven't had no weed, no cannabis in the last 6 years. Also, in the same vein, I have not had a drip, drop, a sip of alcohol in 3+ years. Oh my God. Shout out to God and my husband for putting me in a place, in a space in life where I don't have to run from what's going on in my life. I've chose discipline, and that looks like healthier coping mechanisms, because my life isn't perfect. The sun does not shine every single day. Some days are really dark. Some days are heavy. I'm so grateful for the things that I do have. I refuse to focus on the things that I have yet to accomplish. God has just placed it on my heart heavy, like a godly conviction that my journey is not just for me, and that my journey is going to impact and help so many other people. So here we are. This is why we are documenting Jerica's journey. This time last year, I was the COO of a multi-million-dollar real estate investing company. And this time this year, I am in my vehicle because I am currently what they consider a gig worker. Yes, I am Instacart, door dashing it while my children are in school, so that I can pay for tuition and buy household supplies. And what I am on assignment here on this channel to do is be a reminder of what it looks like to keep going, even when it's dark, even when it's heavy, even when things are not going the way that we had hoped for them to go, that we had planned for them to go, that we decide to keep going anyway. Understand that life is filled with affliction, but we have decided to keep pressing on anyway. And that requires discipline, and that requires faith in God. And that's what I'll be displaying on this channel. Some days that will be in the form of me talking, having a conversation. Some days that will be in the form of me being silent. Some days you might see a few tears. Some days you will see me resting, like actually resting and sleeping. These are the things that it requires to keep going, to keep pressing, and to not choose easy escape mechanisms